Hi, this is CA Kulbhushan Patil from GM Test series, and today we'll discuss how to attempt SCMPE paper and what to study in the last 2.5 months to score an exemption. So let's begin. First of all, there are total 12 chapters in the SCMPE subject, and case study are different according to the ICI material. The main few chapters are chapter 3, 4 and 8. These are the main chapters for theory syllabus. Costing paper is divided into two parts, theory and practical. So the main theory paper chapters are the 3rd chapter, 4th chapter and the 8th chapter. For practical, main chapters are the 6th chapter, 7th chapter and combination of 9, 10 and 12th chapter. So all these chapters are quite important and you need to definitely study these chapters. The second thing that is most important is about classes. So if you have considering last 2.5 months, it can be well presumed that you have already done with classes. If you have not done classes, I would personally suggest you to take at least a crash course so that you get an overall idea about the whole syllabus. That was about the classes. The next thing is the material to refer. So if you have done any class, the best thing would be to refer their material first to solve the questions that they have taken while teaching you, and then do ICI material also. Also, considering costing is a practical subject, the new study mat of ICI is not sufficient. You need to do the old PM, old practice manual of ICI. You need to solve each and every question from that, and you need to remember it. Because currently, even if the institute has updated their material and brought only study mat, but still questions come from the old PM also. The next thing is obviously ICI material should be referred. For case study, there is a separate book given by ICI. You have to definitely look into it. Also RTP and MTP, that is a very important area, because in every paper there is always some portion which has been asked from the previous year's RTP and MTP. So that is obviously a very important area, and as I previously said, old PM is a must. You should do the old PM. The next thing is how to study. So the first thing that I told you, revise the class notes. The class that you have done, revise the questions from those notes which were taken in the classes. That will give you a fresh idea about the whole syllabus. Also, you will be done with your first reading. The next thing is, while doing the first reading, you should always do writing practice. In costing, writing practice is very important, because sometimes what happens, people just bring the answers on Calci and they miss out the few main steps which are small steps but which are crucial for coming to the conclusion of the answer. This was my personal experience. Like in IPCC also, I had done the same mistake. Only Calci won't suffice. You need to do writing practice in costing. The next thing is for theory part, you have to learn each and every question's heading. At least the main points you have to remember that, so that in the exam, even if you write main points, you can pick up some there is a question which includes 5 points, 5 heading, and then you have to write explanation about each heading. So if a case study comes, you have to write the 5 head points, and then while giving the explanation, you can pick up parts from the question itself, so your answer also gets bigger. The examiner knows that you have learned everything by looking at the head points, and also you giving reference to the case study is always better, because that is what is expected from you. The second most important thing about costing is understanding the concept. Conceptual study is a must for costing. Without conceptual study, you cannot attempt the question, because questions are never repeated. Like questions will never be copy and paste in the exam. There will always be some trick, or institute will do something to each and every question. That will be a tricky part, and that can be solved only if you are conceptually clear. The next thing is, questions don't directly come in the exam. They usually come in the form of case study. Also, when question come, they sometimes you always know the solution, but it is most important. Like a question is repeated from PM itself, but sometimes it is very important to you look at the question that has been asked while in the sum, because we give something else as an answer, and the question that is asked in the sum is something different. So you need to look carefully at the question that is being asked in the sum. Also for case study, read all the case study that have been given in the case study book given by the ICAI. That is very important. Case study that come in the exam are usually a combination of 2 to 3 case study from the ICAI case study material itself. So even if you do all the case study, you can easily write all the case study in the exam. And also another important thing, in the practical question that come in the costing exam, they many a times ask theory questions also. Like if a question is there, you have to select machine A or machine B. So they will ask you about the conclusion, and then they will again say like what will be the environmental effects. So you have to write about non-financial factors also in many questions. So that should not be ignored, because that will be the main area that will take you through the exemption. So that's all that is main about costing. Thank you so much.